A report by the Association of Democratic Reforms or ADR has shown as many as 151 members of parliament and members of Legislative Assembly, which are MPs and MLAs, have declared cases related to crime against women in their election affidavits. Alarmingly, 16 of these elected representatives are accused of rape. The ADR's analysis is based on the self-sworn affidavits submitted by these politicians to the Election Commission between 2019 and 2024. As per the report, West Bengal has the highest number of cases, with 25 lawmakers facing serious charges, followed by Andhra Pradesh with 21 and Orissa with 17 such cases. The ADR also reports that the highest number of cases involving crimes against women is within the Bharatiya Janata Party, with 54 leaders facing such charges. This is followed by the Congress Party with 23 cases and the Telugu Desam Party with 17. This data points to a nationwide issue that crosses party lines and regional boundaries, affecting the credibility and moral authority of elected officials. The report states that 14 sitting MLAs and 2 MPs are charged with rape cases under IPC Section 376, which can lead to a minimum of 10 years or even life imprisonment. Some of these cases involve multiple offences against the same victim, highlighting the seriousness of these charges. The ADR has issued strong recommendations in response to these findings. It urges political parties to avoid fielding candidates with criminal backgrounds, especially those with charges of rape and crimes against women.